We are continuing with our sequencing series. Let's go and check out the next question without any further waste of time. So this question says, in an arithmetic sequence, term 4 is 2x plus y and term 10 is 8x minus 2y. It says to us that we need to determine the first term of the sequence in terms of x and y. So very simple, not at all complicated. We just want a. That's what the question is asking. If you know the general term formula, you know that a represents the first term, right? So now let's jump right into this question and say that we know for a fact that Tn is a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. We are told that the fourth term is 2x plus y, so which means 2x, right, plus y is equals to a plus, it is the fourth term. So this n value is basically 4. When you do 4 minus 1, you're going to get 3 differences. I want to do the same thing about the 10th term. This one, guys, I'm going to do it here now. What will be told? We know that it is arithmetic, so we can afford to write what I'm writing here, multiplied by d. The value of that one is basically 8x minus 2y is a plus, it's the 10th term. This is at position number 10, so that's going to be 10 minus 1, which is going to give us 9 differences. So I've got these two patterns that I'm looking at now. I have to solve simultaneously. There are many ways of actually achieving the solution. You can use elimination, substitution, or any other of the concepts that you might have in mind. I'm going to cheat this one and do it in a very nice way to make the values of d to look the same. Right. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to multiply the whole of this by 3. When I multiply the whole of this by 3, I'm going to basically sit with 6x here. I will have 3y here equals to 3a plus 3 times 3 is going to give us 9 differences. And then I'll say, okay, cool. Now that we're looking at what we have here, we simply have 6x plus 3y minus 3a is equals to 9d. This is what I'm going to call my equation 1. And on this one that we have on the far right, we will just say we've got 8x minus 2y minus a is 9d. This will be the second equation. These two guys are the same. I'm going to equate them because both of them are equal to 9d. So that basically means that equation 1 equated to equation 2. That is saying 6x plus 3y minus 3a equals 8x minus 2y minus a. Now let's play around and try to find our a in terms of x and y. This is 8. When you're subtracting 8 on both sides, you're just simply going to have minus 2x for the axis, and then in terms of y, it's 3y. Then you add a 2 on both sides of the equation. You're going to basically be sitting with 5y, and then we are going to take this 3 to the right hand side is going to give us a value of exactly 4a. Very important for us to look at that and be able to convince ourselves that we can see what is going on, because this is plus 8. You take it over, it's going to be 6 minus 8, which is minus 2. 2 will come this side, is 2 plus 3, which gives us 5. We're taking 3 to the right, it's 3. It's plus 3. Yes, it's plus 3. So we can see that's going to be plus 3 minus a. Let's just keep it like this so that you guys can see. That minus a is the one we are looking at here. This one. We want to make sure that we don't make mistakes. After that, we are just taking 3 over. That's going to be plus 3a. Okay, cool. Beautiful stuff. Now it's making sense. We are sitting with 2a is minus 2x plus 5y. When you divide both sides by 2, you get a value of a equals to minus x plus 5 over 2y. This is the solution for this question. Absolutely remarkable. Very beautiful question indeed.